Hare Krishna Prabhu, you have received anyway all those things. Can you teach soulful japa to our Prime Minister, giving example of 1898 plague incident? This request is with regard to making Nama Prabhu famous throughout the country at this hour of crisis, when viruses have entered stage 3 of lockdown. You see that very quote of 1898 plague, where Prabhupada talks about that plague and how in Calcutta they did some Sankirtana and the plague, people believe that the plague left because of Harinam Sankirtana. The very next paragraph also you should read. Prabhupada is narrating as a matter of fact. Next thing he is saying that not that we want to use or promote use of Harinam for such things. So that is the reason why we are not going freely and telling, oh, all of you chant Hare Krishna, coronavirus will go away, this thing, that thing. No, we should not. We have sanctified. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu is sanctified. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu's servant only is Kala. Kala only is doing this Mahamari. Nothing goes without Krishna's control. Like Prabhupada says, even as a world war has to happen, it happens as per Krishna's control. Krishna knows what is our eternal good. The so-called situation of the world, the being bad, we cannot say. It's all for good. All for good. Human beings only have short-sightedness. God has long-sightedness. What is good? Anyway, so we don't want to use that. We want Nama. Okay. You want to purify the world? Let us all chant more rounds. Let us all chant nicely without any specific desires. Nama Prabhu, let him do what he plans to remove coronavirus or to remove lockdown or economic collapse or no economic collapse. Devotee is always peaceable. Krishna, my Lord is in control. No accidents happen. No accidents happen in this world. To us it appears accidents, it appears going out of control. No, he is in control.